Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on natural gas prices on June 27th, just 7 days ago. And the price of this asset was at $2.755 mark, and as you can see we were right here. My main assumption was that we might land at least at 0.382 at $2.558 mark, and we might even break it to the downside, and we might retest 0.5 fib level. And guys, take a look right here. As you can see, we were at this point $2.775, and we had this movement to the downside, during which this asset lost about 15% of its value, and it hit exactly the point which I predicted in my previous video. And guys, it is not a coincidence. It is just my experience and extremely thoroughly made technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, let's take a look on a slightly bigger picture of this asset. If I switch to 4 hours time frame, you can see that we had a very good movement to the upside, and with this breakout below, let me show you again in details. With the breakout below this previous bottom, we confirmed that this breakdown is correct, because we completed 5-wave structure in this movement from this bottom to this top, and this retracement deeper than the bottom of previous wave shows that we are 100% correct. And guys, in just several minutes in my technical analysis, I will show you what might be the next movement for this asset for upcoming week. But for now, let's take a look on the sentiment, on the fundamental news on this asset. So, we are on trading economics, and let me quote you the most recent statement. US natural gas futures fell to $2.35 per MMBTU, the lowest in 7 weeks, due to increased production and oversupply. A heat wave is expected to persist through mid-July, but output in the lower 48 states averaged 101.8 BCFD so far in July, up from the June's 100 and 100.2 BCFD. Production hit a 17-month low of 99.5 BCFD in May, but higher prices in recent weeks encouraged producers like EK2 and Chesapeake Energy to resume drilling. The latest EIA report showed gas in storage was 18.8% above the seasonal norm. Meanwhile, LNG export plan flows are slightly lower in July when compared with June, mainly due to reduced feed gas at Cheniere Energy's Sabine Pass. So guys, we still have at least 1 week to this point in mid-July, where we might have a local trend reversal. But let's continue with the technical analysis, and before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what do we have right here from the technical standpoint, and where we might land and where we might have a trend reversal? Let me show you that if this is the real 4th wave, and if my assumption is correct, we have to see the zigzag in this wave, and in my opinion it is following. This is our A wave, this is our B wave, and we are forming our C wave. Let me show you in details. Let's switch to hourly time frame, and let's take a look on this price action in details. So we have to have 3 or 5 waves in our A wave, and we have it. This is our A wave, this is our B wave, and this is our C wave. And we have to have strictly 3 waves in our B wave. we have it again. This is our A wave, B wave, and C wave. And we have to have 5 waves in our C wave. And I have to say that we are almost there. We are almost done with formation. In my opinion, we have something like this. Potentially, this is our first wave. This is our second. So this is quite interesting point. We can count this entire wave as the third wave, but in this case, we have to have a reaction to the upside to unload the structure, and we might have another leg to the downside that might land somewhere lower. Or we already have, this is our third wave, this tiny movement is our fourth wave, and we are forming the fifth wave. And right here we have to have again 5 waves in our fifth wave. And let me show you this in details. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to have at least one more leg to the downside in order to complete this wave. This means, guys, on the one hand, we achieved the level. Let me show you. Let's switch to 2 hours time frame. We reached the level of the first algo target. It is 0.5. If I pull the Fib retracement tool from its swing low to swing high, 0.5 to all the way down to 0.618, 0.65 is the ranges where algo trades accumulate their position, accumulate their long position, and their price target is right here, negative 0.236 at $3.533. And on the other hand, guys, we might have this movement to the downside from $2.372 all the way down to $2.136. We might accumulate our position because in general we have to unload this structure, and we have to do it basically on a quite substantial manner. If I pull the Fib retracement tool from this swing high to this lowest point, and I have to say that if the lowest point will be even lower, we have to adjust this tool. We have to land somewhere at 0.236 and even 0.382, which means we might have, in worst case scenario, and let me show you like this, in worst case scenario, we might have from 10 all the way up to 17% of potential profit in the short-term perspective. That is why, guys, I think it is a quite interesting and lucrative point to accumulate this asset. Let me delete unnecessary tools, because in general we have to complete the fifth wave. And let me do another measurement. We have, I don't need, by the way, I don't need this additional tools on the price chart. We can pull the Fib extension tool from the top of this wave to the bottom of this wave and to the top of the B wave. And the one-to-one extension will be the most common ratio in between A wave and C wave. And as you can see, it is at $2.306, which means this entire range, let me show you like this, let me mark it with a rectangle, from this point all the way down to this level at $2.1, we might accumulate our position with anticipation to hit higher targets. And definitely it might be quite a lucrative point, but your invalidation point should be at $1.921, because below this range most likely we will have another lower low that potentially might break even this bottom. So, and I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed.